Hey guys, on today's video we'll be at the Disneyland Resort riding on one of their all-time great attractions, the Haunted Mansion. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want to show us your support, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy the video.
Oh, that's cute. I like that.
Paintings of some of our guests as they appeared in their corruptible, mortal state.
Have the best views of the Portuguese gallery. Dry your bodies away from the wall. Okay, I'll let you guys pause right here. No problem.
There's no sense of disquieting metamorphosis. Is this haunted room actually stretching? Or is it your imagination? And consider this dismaying observation. This chamber has no windows and no doors. Which offers you this chilling challenge to find a way out. Of course, there's always my way. Oh, I didn't mean to frighten you prematurely. The real chills come later. And let's all stay together and leave. There are several prominent ghosts who have retired here from creepy old dreams. Actually, we have 999 happy haunts here, but there's room for 1,000. ghostly retreat. Every room has wall-to-wall creeps and hot and cold running chills. Listen.
Send us a message from somewhere beyond. Goblins and ghoulies from last Halloween, awaken the spirits with your tambourine. Creepies and crawlies, toads in a pond. Let there be music from regions beyond.
Sympathetic vibrations that are beginning to materialize. They're assembling for a swinging wake. You'll be expecting me. I'll see you all a little later. and the ghost will follow you home.
We've been dying to have you. Hurry back. Hurry back. Be sure to bring your death certificate.
Well, what can you say about the Haunted Mansion that hasn't already been said? It is by far one of the classic all-time great attractions at the Disneyland park. And if you've never watched the history of the Haunted Mansion and how it was made and put together and stuff, I'd really encourage you to watch one of those videos. It's really interesting how many years it took to make that ride, how many different people collaborated on it, the involvement that Walt Disney had on it. It was just really interesting, all the different aspects that went into building that ride. When we were at Disneyland Resort last year, we went on the Haunted Mansion, but it was during Halloween season where it was the holiday version with the Nightmare Before Christmas overlay. And that's a great, attraction. It's a great overlay that they do, but it was great being back this time of year where it was just the classic old school Haunted Mansion attraction and being able to film that one for you guys as well. I sure hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to show us your support, please subscribe to our channel. Bucket Day Adventures is also available on Instagram and TikTok. And please remember to take time out of your day to do something fun to fill your bucket. Thanks for watching and take care.